All right, so I'm gonna show you exactly how to speed up your editing process so you can save yourself a massive amount of time, okay? So we're gonna be using a software called Descript to do this. Descript is an AI video editor that can take care of all of your video editing needs. And what I recommend you do is go ahead and use that first link down below in the description. That way, as I'm showing you how to do this, you can actually be doing it at the same time, all right? Let's go ahead and get into it. So right here is the Descript back office. So you can see you got your projects, quick recordings, AI speakers, all of those different things. But we're gonna focus on in this video though is showing you how to speed up your editing process. So first thing what you wanna do once you get inside of Descript, you wanna go right here to where it says new. You wanna click on video project. All right, so once this page right here loads, what you wanna do is you wanna go to add file. Now what I'm gonna do for sake of this video is I'm gonna use a video that I already uploaded here on the YouTube channel, but I'm gonna put in the unedited version and I'm gonna show you here in a second. So I'm gonna go to Raheem Madison right here and I'm gonna go to that particular folder. It should be some, okay, so here it is right here, green screen removal video. Okay, so this right here is the unedited version. Let me show you. You can see right here it's 4 minutes and 16 seconds. This is the version right here that's actually on YouTube. That's 355. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna click green screen Descript. I'm gonna double click it and we're gonna load it in here. All right, so it should have just loaded in here. Okay, so there it is right there. So you see right now what it's doing is just transcribing every word that I said in the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit done, and then we're gonna give it a few seconds to load up here, and then we're gonna come back. So as you can see, these are all the words that I said. And so now from this point, I just wanna click right here at the beginning, and then I wanna go right up here to where it says actions, and then I wanna go to ask AI. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. And then right here, you see we got a couple different things that we could do with these videos. We can remove the retakes. Let's say for instance, I said, just like how I just said, I said, and then I wanted it to remove that. Well, I can go here and I hit remove retakes, and then it will go ahead and find that in the text, all of these things here, and then it will remove it from the video, which is very, very powerful. But that's not what we're here for, right? What we're here for is we want the AI to take care of all of the editing for us. All right, so what we want to do is we want to click on edit for clarity. I'll go ahead and click on that. And then you see right here, it's going to edit down to remove any speech disfluencies, repeated sections, and tangents that distract from the core ideas. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on this right here. And now it's going throughout this process. And once it's done, then we're gonna come back here on the video. All right, so look like it's done already, right? So I would go right here and hit apply edits to the script. All right, so I go ahead and click on that. And then boom, it says continue editing with AI. So I'm gonna actually show you what it removed here in a second. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on close, and then we're gonna go throughout the script. Now notice this right here has a slash through it, right? So they remove okay, all right, which is pretty much an or an or like some type of filler word, right? All right, so let's keep going through. So they removed the all right here, which is another filler word. Let's find something else they removed. So they remove whatever your setting, and then you can see they recognize that I pretty much said the same thing there. So they went ahead and they removed it. And then we're gonna find one more. All right, so they removed the right there. They removed the first thing right there. So let's see what this sounds like. So I'm gonna go ahead and just play this clip right here to where this shows, and then we're gonna see what it does. But in this video specifically, we're gonna be focusing on how to remove the green screen. So once you get inside of Descript, okay, so that wasn't a very bad transition, right? It just flowed it as it could. All right, so let's go to the next one. All right, so let's see right here. You can do that at any time. All right, so first, okay, so they seen that I said all right twice. So they went ahead and they removed the all right there. Let's go to one more just so you can see. Pop this up or whatever your stuff is. So let's go back a little bit more. And when you click that, it's gonna pop this up or whatever your stuff. Okay, so yeah, boom, they took out the other whatever your setting. All right, so let's just hit the back button. Let me show you what it originally sounded like. And when you click that, it's gonna pop this up or whatever your setting, whatever your stuff. So obviously it's recognizing like the things that actually need to be removed, which is extremely powerful. So you can imagine, right? So let's actually hit the back button so we can bring that back. So the original unedited video, remember, was 4 minutes and 16 seconds, right? Now with all the cuts that it took out, you can see it's now 3:53, which I think is 2 seconds less than my actual video here on YouTube. So you can see how this could really save you a massive amount of time. And as you saw, I was able to just add anything that I didn't want it to remove. I could just go ahead and bring it back in, right? So it makes the process very, very simple, okay? And so from here, what we wanna do is we wanna go ahead, let's say I'm done. I'll go up here to file. I'll then come right here to export, click on that. And then once I export, right, I got these settings over here. So if I want my resolution not to be 720p, then I would just go up to max 1080p or whatever your video allows. And then right here, the quality, I always keep that on high. And then from here, I just go ahead and I hit export. And when I hit export, all I got to do is just type in what I want the file to be saved at. And at that point, I'm good to go.